Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia and I talk about all things curly, beauty, and lifestyle. For today's video, I'm super excited because not only are we going to be testing out a new product, we are going to be testing out 2 bonding treatments, and one of which I've shared on this channel before, but one of the other ones is actually a new product. So I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys and to be testing it in live time with you guys. I'm also going to be sharing my thoughts and how each product felt in my hair. So before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. I'm also going to go ahead and attach my social handles so you guys can follow me on there as well. I post a ton of curly content, so go check me out. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. So for those of you wondering what even is a bonding treatment, how does it work, what will it do for me, do I need it, all of that, I got you guys covered. So let's just start off with the basics of hair. So hair is comprised of a protein called keratin, and keratin is reinforced by 3 bonds: disulfide bonds, salt bonds, and hydrogen bonds. Disulfide bonds are typically damaged by bleach and chemical processes. Salt bonds are typically damaged by an imbalance of pH in your hair. And when it comes to hydrogen bonds, those are typically damaged by an excess of moisture and heat. So over time, your hair can get damaged by everyday activities, from tying your hair back, doing protective styles, brushing it. Overly manipulating your hair can cause some slight damage to your hair regardless. These bonding treatments help strengthen and protect your hair from future damage. Like I said, I will be trying out 2 different bonding treatments in this video. The first one I'm going to be sharing is the CurlSmith Strength Recipe Bond Curl Rehab Salve. This is one of CurlSmith's newest products, and I'm so excited that they finally dropped a strength recipe line. This is the first line that actually contains protein, so I'm really excited to test this out. And the other bonding treatment I will be using, I've mentioned on my channel plenty of times. It's the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. You guys know I do Olaplex treatments at least 1 to 2 times a month just to make sure that my hair stays strong and healthy. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the CurlSmith one as well and see how this works on my hair. So for this demo, I'm actually gonna be splitting my hair in half, and I'm gonna be testing out the CurlSmith product on one side and the Olaplex product on one side, and then we will compare and see if we feel a difference. So starting off with the CurlSmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve, this product has amazing ingredients, nothing new in comparison to all their other products. This contains pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, guava, and kale. The goal is to create resilience, protection, and bond stability in your hair. Just upon using, not only does this product smell absolutely amazing, this product has a lot of slip. So both of these products are to be used before shampooing. So in this video, I'm showing you guys with my damp hair before shampooing. And as I was raking the CurlSmith products into my hair, it was going in so nicely, and I felt like it was actually defining my curls in the process. What I did find interesting is when I use protein treatments, I find that they typically tend to dry out my hair. This I felt was actually adding moisture to my hair, and it was actually defining my curls in the process. So as you see, it was very easy to rake this product through. It had a ton of slip, and I felt like it had the perfect protein moisture balance, and I was definitely a fan. Touching up on some logistics, this is an 8 fluid ounce bottle and it costs $28. With this product, a little does go a long way. As you see, I'm not actually adding too much to my hair, and it's actually working its way really nicely in my hair. Overall, it just felt soft and moisturizing, so I was very surprised as I was applying it because it was actually defining my curls in the process. On the other side, I did use the Olaplex number 3. You guys know I've spoken about this so many times, and I speak very highly of this product. This product also contains a lot of slip, but I do feel like I said, I do have to use a lot more in order to make my hair feel saturated. So the goal of Olaplex is to restore a healthy appearance and your hair's texture. So as I'm applying this product, I feel like it's working its way really nicely into my hair, but I don't feel like it's giving me the hold that this side was giving me. Nonetheless, both really great products. So I left both treatments in my hair for about an hour, and then I'm gonna share with you guys how it looked after. Okay guys, so I've had both products in my hair for about an hour or so, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I rinse it out. So let's start off with the CurlSmith side. So this side is super duper soft, and the scent of this product is absolutely amazing. But look at this definition. I'm actually very impressed with it being a protein treatment. Look at the definition. And what's funny is that I have so much more shrinkage on this side versus the Olaplex side. Overall, my curls just feel super moisturized, and I feel like if I wanted to, of course I'm not going to, I could just let it dry and it'll give me actually pretty decent results, which is actually kind of funny. What I do like is that my ends are super moisturized, and I think that's very, very important when it comes to any type of treatment. The fact that this is a protein treatment and it's moisturizing as well, that's the first time I've ever seen a moisturizing protein treatment. First time I've personally ever tried a moisturizing protein treatment, so not gonna lie, I'm definitely very shook. The scent of this product, again, is very fruity, very herbally, but not too overpowering. So I'm definitely a fan of the scent, and I love the way it makes my curls feel super duper soft, and just love that. So this is the Olaplex side. You guys know I love Olaplex as well. It's an oldie, but a goodie. I've been using Olaplex for about 2-3 years now, and I love how it makes my curls feel. But what I will say is that the CurlSmith side is definitely a lot more moisturized, as you guys can see. See some definition peeking through. Like I said, there's a lot more definition. On this side, there is definition peeking through as well, but I do tend to see that my ends are dry. Look at my ends, guys. In comparison to my ends here. See what I'm saying? I'll go ahead and shampoo this out, and then I will tell you guys my final thoughts once I style. Okay, so this is actually my hair post styling. My thoughts on both products. I'll start back with the CurlSmith. So once I rinsed out the treatment, I felt that my CurlSmith side, no joke, I felt like I did not necessarily have to follow up with a deep conditioner. Of course I did, because I'm not gonna just deep condition one side of my head. I feel like this added so much moisture to my hair, and it left it feeling super soft, and I've noticed that it gave me more shrinkage. Can you guys see the difference? Once I styled, my hair on this side definitely has more length, but I do feel like this gave me more shrinkage. But I did like the amount of moisture that was left in my hair just upon using a protein treatment. I don't typically feel like when I use a protein treatment, like I said in the beginning, it ever leaves my hair moisturized. So this is a first for this one. As far as the amount of product that I use, it's kind of hard to see in this bottle, but I could pinpoint right here. So I used about this much. So I used about this much product, which is not too bad. I can say that I could probably per bottle get about 4 to 5 uses, which is not bad. As far as the Olaplex, so that's about a quarter of the product. So I can say from each Olaplex bottle, I can get about 3 uses. So as far as getting more bang for your buck, I most definitely get more bang for the CurlSmith product. Again, it does come with 8 fluid ounces as opposed to 3.3. If you're looking for a nourishing, perfect protein moisture balance treatment, honestly, this is a good one, and I can't wait to use this for my next wash day. What I do love, I've always loved this about CurlSmith, is how they like to educate you in the process. They don't just give you a product with no info to it. They literally explain to you how you should be using each product per hair porosity. Back here it does say if you have low porosity hair, it recommends for you to use it every 2 to 3 wash days. If you have medium porosity hair, they recommend for you to use every other wash day. And if you do have high porosity hair, it recommends to be used every wash day. Of course, high porosity hair loves protein, so it's safe to use. So I do love that about this product. I am really, really excited to get my hands on the rest of the Strength Recipe products. They did go ahead and send those to me as well, so I'm excited to give those a shot. But 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Like I said, left my hair feeling super duper soft, and that's very rare for a protein treatment, so we love to see it. And as far as my Olaplex, you guys know I'll always love Olaplex, but I also love to try different products because, I mean, look at it. This is an 8 fluid ounce bottle and it gives me great results. This is a 3.3 fluid ounce bottle. Again, gives me great results as well, but I'm also getting more bang for my buck, and it contains wildly amazing ingredients in these products. Like, super clean. We stand for CurlSmith ingredients, quality, all of that. But yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding anything that I mentioned in this video, feel free to comment it down below. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.